In this video, we visit San Diego's Balboa Park to explore what is easily the city's best known and most photographed landmark, the California Tower. I don't think it's any stretch to say that if you asked people to think of a building when they think of San Diego, the California Tower would probably be the top choice. The California Building and Tower, with its ornate facade and blue and gold dome, was built in 1915 for the Panama-California Exposition. At 198 feet tall, when it was completed, it was the tallest building in San Diego. During the Panama-California Exposition, the building was home to the story of man through the ages. After the expo ended, the exhibit was retained and expanded, eventually becoming the Museum of Man, and today, the Museum of Us. While the museum itself is well worth visiting, today we're going to take the reservation-only tower tour and climb up to the tower's observation deck. Once inside the museum, if you take a look up, you get some pretty awesome views of the inside of the dome. But in just a little bit, we'll get some even closer views of the dome's outside. As of the making of this video, the tower tours cost $10 per person on top of museum admission, and you do have to make reservations in advance. Also, you do have to climb 152 steps to get to the observation deck, as there is no elevator. But if you just want to see the current view from the tower, there are cameras up there which you can control from the ground level to take a look around. The tour is guided and begins at this locked gate where you start climbing into the tower. I should also note that currently only 6 people are allowed to be on the tour at a time. While climbing the tower, the tour does stop at each floor, where your guide will give a talk on a number of different topics that pertain to San Diego's history. Some of the topics covered were the history of Balboa Park, Chinese history in San Diego, Black history in San Diego, and Latino history in San Diego. All in all, the talks were really good, and I definitely learned something new. On the tower's 3rd floor, you get to see the carillon, which was installed in 1946 to celebrate the end of World War II, and is still played every day at noon. If you have seen some of the previous videos on this channel, you know that one thing I love is seeing a historic photo at the place that it was taken. So of course I love seeing this photo that was taken out of the 4th floor window, and then getting a chance to look out the window myself. Another cool feature while climbing the tower was that on each step they had a light-up strip showing the name of a sponsor who helped pay for the renovations of the tower. This of course led to some interesting Easter eggs. As an example, this is the 42nd step, and this step was written in Middle Earthen Elvish. I should also mention that while the talks at each floor were really good, the floors themselves were pretty barren, which is something I hope they improve on in the future. And here's what the stairs look like. With one exception, getting to the observation deck, there was a spiral staircase. But of course, climbing that spiral staircase brings you to the main attraction and the #1 reason to pay $10 to climb the California Tower. The California Tower's observation deck, the highest viewpoint in San Diego's Balboa Park. There are actually a few floors higher on the tower, but unfortunately visitors are not allowed to go to them and they're off limits. But the observation deck features 4 balconies, 1 in each direction, and stunning panoramic views of Balboa Park and the city of San Diego. And while 198 feet might not seem that high, if you have any fear of heights at all, looking over the balcony can definitely make you feel a little uneasy. But the views that you can get from the balconies are definitely the best views in Balboa Park. They are absolutely stunning. On a clear day, you can see for miles and miles in every direction. Not only are the views beautiful from the observation deck, the observation deck is also the best place to get a close-up look at the California building's ornate dome. Just check out the tile work on the dome. It is absolutely gorgeous. One thing I noticed from the observation deck that I never noticed from the ground level is on the back side of the dome, it almost looks like there are steps going up the side of it. Well, it turns out that's actually what those are. They were built in order to allow workers to climb to the top of the dome in order to clean the tiles, something that would definitely not fly today. The observation deck is also a great place to get a close-up look at some of the building's stonework as well. In all, you get about 15 to 20 minutes on the observation deck to look around and admire the views, and then, unfortunately, it's time to head back down the spiral staircase, back into the tower, and to the end of the tour. If you're in San Diego and you get a chance to do the California Tower Tour, we highly recommend it. In fact, if I had to make a list of things to do in Balboa Park, the Tower Tour would definitely be towards the top of the list. The views are unmatched, and it's such a unique experience at the park. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next week.